Intel Core i5 processor goes in, amazing visual performance comes out. That's visibly smart.
Not
An Operation 0001 has been activated for your National Emergency Alert System for all of KI. This emergency alert system was developed by the Canadian Department of National Safety for the people of KI and Canada. Please listen closely to the following announcements. An announcement about the ongoing Ukrainian war crisis will be given on this emergency alert channel in the following minutes. This speech will regard the current state of the war and a possible peace treaty to be discussed. We have interrupted normal programming for this message. If there are children who are not interested in this message, a young audience movie will be aired by pressing 7 on your television remote. This speech could affect the future of our nation. Please stay tuned. A young audience movie will be aired by pressing 7 on your television remote. This speech could affect the future of our nation. Please stay tuned.
only with the second-generation Intel Core i5 processor.
Lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop.
Boom, boom, boom.
Call my baby lollipop, tell you why. Her kiss is sweeter than a cherry pie. And when she does a shaky rock and dance, man, I haven't got a chance.
Treat yourself to a Dell Inspiron laptop
Lollipop, lollipop,
with intelligent Intel processors. Dell, yours is here.
Big ass savings.
I'd love some big savings.
Kmart Shop Your Way members save 30 cents a gallon.
30 cents a gallon? That's a big discount.
Big discount.
A really big discount.
Really big discount.
Honey, this solves your big problem.
Totally solves my big problem.
Dad, look at that truck.
Man.
Hello, man.
Shop Your Way members get gas savings.